How to use CoverStar Positive Social app? As you can see, this app is starts to climb in the charts in the US App Store. This app, as I see it, is kind of one of alternatives for TikTok in US. It says it's safe and positive social app. No bullying, explicit content is allowed. Our mission is to build a better world through positivity and play. And it's an American company, and they claim they protect your data. Also, you need to know that this app is mostly for kids or teenagers. You won't find a lot of adults on this app. And the idea of this app is kind of similar as was TikTok or like Musical.ly in very early days. You just have some video dancing challenges, and then you need to repeat them, and that's basically the idea of the app. Then again, just open it up. So this is how the home feed looks like. It's quite similar to TikTok. You just see all the teenagers, kids dancing, and then you just swipe through them in featured or following tabs. Anyway, so you see how it looks like. It's just a TikTok kind of feed, and then you just scroll through it. And then to create an account, for example, I will just show you. If I just swipe up. To create your account, just tap sign up, and then you can continue with Apple or Google. Sign in with username is only used for older accounts which were created before 2022. Then you can just continue with Apple, and then here, just tap continue, and that's how you create your account, and then you can just tap post, and then you will be able to post. Just follow the music. You have all the different filters. You have again all the filters, timers, gallery, and then you just record it, and you browse different trending sounds which are adjusted to specific challenges. So very similar to TikTok, but again, it's just mostly for teenagers or kids. And then also you have all of these featured challenges, which are basically challenges which are basically selected by CoverStar. It's not possible to just submit and create your own challenge. You just need to go viral on this app, and they will select you for the challenge. And then you have all the trending videos for today, and then you can join them. There are all these notifications. You can invite friends and get a badge. So that's the idea. Super easy app, but it's going viral. It has this niche of youngsters and it's not focusing on everyone. Of course, it's not that big as TikTok. It doesn't have yet hundreds of millions of users. And then in the settings, you can just change your profile photo. You can make your profile private. So that's what you can do here. Then manage account, you can easily delete your account. Support, you can contact support, and then you can clear cache. That's the idea. If you want to get verified, you need to reach out to their support, but you can only do that in two cases. If you already amass some followers here, they don't say how many followers you need to get verification badge. But you need to go viral at least a few times, I guess, or you're already a well-known creator coming from TikTok or Instagram, and then you can just contact their support. If you just go to their support in the bottom, that hello@coverstar.app, that's how you reach out. But that's the idea. Hope you like this how to use tutorial. If you have any additional questions, just reach out in the comments.